This girl is making one of the biggest mistakes on YouTube. Her titles and thumbnails are killing her channel, but that's not the only problem she has. In this video, I'm going to show you all the mistakes she's making so that you don't make the same mistakes and that you can go and grow your channel and make more money from YouTube. Let's get into it. Right, so today we're going to be looking at Passion Fits. And if you're not familiar with this app, this is an app I built to help score YouTube channels so we know what people are doing right and what people are doing wrong so that people can easily go and fix their YouTube channels. So on the right hand side you'll see a scoring panel, and first of all you'll see the channel banner, and we'll look at the channel description, channel name, profile pictures, then we'll look at offers, thumbnails, video hooks, video setup, etc., and we go through the whole channel to see why they're not getting views and sales on their YouTube channel. So let's get into it. Right, so as I said, we're looking at Passion Fit today with Laken. The first thing we're going to do is look at the channel banner. So here's the instructions. Does the banner convey a clear offer value proposition? Is the banner professional and visually aligned with the channel's niche? Right, so at the moment it is a women's fitness group, so that's the niche. They're in the women's fitness. So let's have a look at the banner. God, does that relate to women's fitness? Family, does that relate to women's fitness? And obviously that's the brand name Passion Fit there. So even though the banner is very clean and simple, which I like, I think we need to remove this God and family part and actually put some sort of value there for value for the viewer, you know. So you could say keep fit with Passion Fit or something. You know, we'd have to work on the offer. We don't even need to use Passion Fit because we've already got it in the title there, so we don't want to keep repeating the same thing, but we do need a clear offer. So even though it's simple, clear and presentable, I think the words need to be different to actually provide value. So I'm actually going to give it a 7 out of 10 because it looks clean and simple. Right, now we're going to look at the channel description. So here's the questions. Does the first sentence immediately explain what the channel offers? Are there clear links to products and services or next steps? Does the description add trust and credibility? So let's have a look. Does the first sentence, so it does tell you what they are. A women's fitness group based out of Southeast Ohio, helping women find their confidence again, one workout at a time. I mean, I don't hate this. It's not too bad. So it says where they are. I probably want this swapped round. I'd rather say helping women find their confidence again, one workout at a time at the top. And then you've got a CTA there. Want to do full classes with us, 10 new classes every week. Visit our website and there's the link. So the description's not too bad. I mean, it gets straight to the point. I'm going to also give that a 7. And now we're going to look at the channel name. So Passion Fit with Laken. Let's have a look at the instructions. Is the name memorable and easy to spell and search? Does it clearly indicate the niche or value? Will a first-time visitor understand what the channel is about? Yeah, because it's Passion Fit and it's got her name there. So I think that's actually a good channel name. So I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. Now we're going to look at the profile picture. The white background is very overpowering. I'd rather that be a softer, like a neutral tone of like pinks and blues or something, but the white's very powerful. And I'd like it a little bit more zoomed in, you know. I'm also going to give that a 7 out of 10 for that one. Let's have a look at the offer. So let's have a look at our latest videos. Let's click in. Right, so does the channel have a clear offer or purpose? So they're doing cardio, dance, fitness routines, right? So by the sounds of it, they're doing it to well-known songs. So that should be getting lots of views because people just come and listen to the songs and also watch the views. Let's have a look at the website and see what's happening with that. Right, so it goes to this website. Welcome to Passion Fit family. You are beautiful, you are strong, you are enough. Let's do this. Start a free trial. But we're missing one key thing here. I wonder if you can understand what the thing is missing. We're missing a headline. We don't want to say welcome to Passion Fit family. We don't want this. If we want to make people sign up for our thing, we need a real offer headline, you know, a massive headline that says what they get, you know, welcome to the family, like start your free trial. And then you're going to charge $30 a month, $300 a year. We need a better headline here, you know. I mean, this is better, but it's further down the page. Meet your instructors, watch from anywhere. This page needs some work. We need some clear headlines. Let's just have a look at my website and you can see the difference. You know, as soon as you click onto my website, you get instantly who it's for by headline. How businesses scale to 20 to 100K a month on YouTube. You know, it's instantly know what, and then you go down and you get all the rest of it. But when we go into this website, it's not really clear. You know, they could do a video background like mine with an overlay on it, because it's very plain and simple, and I don't like this website, and this is killing their sales. But let's go back to the review though. So within 10 seconds, can you identify who this channel helps? Within 10 seconds, can you identify the specific problem they solve? Is there a clear, compelling reason for the target audience to subscribe? So they have got, we haven't watched the videos yet, but I'd imagine they've got pretty compelling videos that people watch along to. You know, people want to do fitness in their own home, and so they can follow along to these routines. So it does have a clear purpose, but the offer is terrible. You know, the offer is not clear. And if you click on their website, you don't really know what you're getting. So they need to put a massive headline on that page and improve that sales page there. So clear purpose and offer, I'm going to give it a 4, because they should be driving lots more clicks to their website, and I don't think they are. So let's have a look at thumbnails now. Are the thumbnails consistent in style, creating a recognizable brand pattern? Do they create curiosity and promise a clear outcome? So let's just click back to the grid. They are consistent. They are doing the same thing. But what I would really like, they started using text in some of them, and then they stopped using text for the latest ones. Let me just show you a different channel that's doing it really well. So here's Kaylee Cohen cycling, and she's doing it really well. You know, let's have a look at her. You know, she's got the routine picture, and then she's got text along with it. You know, this video got 2 million views, and there's a massive difference. So I'll tell you why she gets 2 million views and this channel only gets 1,000. You know, let's have a look at the video though to start with. I'm sure there might be some copyright material, but
maybe you need to.
Right, before we do that, we just need to put the scoring for the thumbnail. So, like I say, because there's no text on the screen, I think the thumbnails could be way better. I'm going to give the thumbnails a 3. Now we're going to dive into the hook. So there's no introduction by the instructor. It's just straight into the dance routine by the sounds of it. So let's just go back and just watch that again.
Maybe you need to.
Well, they look like they're having loads of fun, you know, and it's very compelling for people to watch this type of content. However, there is no hit hook or introduction of what they're going to do. So let's just take a look at this other channel and I'll show you the difference. All right, let's click into her video.
This ride is all about the saddle. So if you are a beginner or you just got a new stationary bike or exercise bike, today's 20-minute stationary bike workout for you.
You see the intro there? It's way different.
This ride is all about the saddle. So if you are a beginner or you just got a new stationary bike or exercise bike, today's 20-minute stationary bike workout for you.
Right, so she sets up what's going to happen in the videos, and this is what this other channel is not doing, you know. So even though it's compelling, it would be better having like a 5-second intro just setting up what's going to happen in the video so the viewer knows instantly that they're involved in it and what they're going to get. So the hook intro is non-existent. Even though they've got a good video, it could be improved with a better hook or a setup into the video. So I'm going to give it a 5 at the moment because the videos are good. They just need the intro and the outro and putting a few click-through actions towards their website, and then they would have a way better business and make more money. So let's have a look at the video setup. Is the lighting professional? Is the background clean, intentional, aligned with their brand niche? Is the camera quality sharp? So I've got nothing wrong with this video setup. We're in some sort of gym studio setup. The lighting's good. The visuals are great. So I'm actually going to give it a 10 out of 10 for video setup because this is what I want to see on a fitness channel. So first impressions, let's have a look at first impression. Does everything feel professional within the first 10 seconds? Audio, visual, energy. Do I immediately feel this person is credible and worth listening to? Is there anything distracting? Actually, when I click into this video, professional, you know, it's a group of women having fun, working out, and they encourage you to join in. You know, I was listening to the song. They're playing very popular songs. First impressions are great. So I like it. Audience expectations. So does the video content match the thumbnail promised? Yes. Does the title accurately represent what is delivered in the video? Is the production quality aligned with the thumbnail and title? So let's have a look, because it says the name of the song, and then it says Cardio Dance Fitness, and then their brand name. I actually think this is a massive mistake they're doing. Obviously telling people what song it is fine, but I think this title could be way better. So, but overall, the thumbnail does match the content. The title does match the content, but I think it could be better. So I'm going to give him a 7 out of 10 for that. Presenting, we've not seen him speak on camera. It's just straight into the dance routine. So it's very hard for me to score their presenting, but their camera presence is looking good. So they look good. They look confident. So even though I've not heard them speak the intro, I'm going to give them a 7 out of 10 for that. And credibility, they are doing the thing they said they're going to do. They're dancing in the studio. They're teaching you how to dance and how to come along with it, how to keep fit. So credibility is 10 out of 10 for me. So let's reveal their final score. And this channel gets 72 out of 100. But I think their problem lies in actually making money from this YouTube channel. So they need to improve their offer, make it clear and make it stand out, especially on their website, and also include CTAs throughout the video, so you can, even though you're in a dance routine workout, you could have animations pop on the screen reminding people to check out the website for the full routine or for extra routines, or or the next routine. You have to have clear CTAs throughout the video. Improve the thumbnails. Even though they're okay, I think they could be better. If we take a look at that other example earlier on Kaylee's channel, this is what you want to be doing, is like one or two words in the thumbnails. Right. So what else do they need to improve? The video hooks introduction. If they start setting up the video with a 5 to 10 second intro, introducing themselves and telling what's going to happen in the video, that'd be way better. And then also at the end of the video, doing an outro, telling them to watch another video or telling them to go to the website. So they are doing well, but I think they could do way better. So they've got a few areas of improvement. So that was the audit, but you're going to want to watch this video right here, where I'll break down another business channel and show them how to fix all the mistakes they're making, which is killing their views and sales. Probably mistakes that you're making too.